I appreciate as a student the strong support that I get from teachers, especially as someone who's doing grade 12 classes to grade 11. I wouldn't be able to take these university courses to be a year ahead if I didn't have these facilities and the staff that we have, and even the students who help and support me as friends and fellow peers. And that has helped me succeed a lot.
Today will be the day.
Being here from grade 7 to grade 10, I have really sensed like a great community, and just all the school teams are amazing and inclusive, and just seeing everybody in the hall. I know everybody in my grade and I absolutely love it.
I found my home. Today will be the day, it all will change. No one's in my way. Today will be the
The teachers are so sweet and they're so helpful and kind, and band is really awesome and you should totally join band. And the options that we have, drama and musical theater, and those are so much fun. You'll enjoy yourself so much.
I really like the fact that we have a lot of creative facilities. Like, I utilize the design room with the laser cutter a lot. I like to utilize the photography, which is a big passion of mine, which this school helps fuel, and we have a lot of equipment that helps us succeed in that.
Today will be the day.